Welcome guys to this tutorial. In this video I will be talking about how you can reverse image search on Google. So as you know, you can search for anything on Google, but did you know that you can also search an image and Google will find where that image is on the internet, and this can be used for many different things, such as, for example, you have an object that you don't know what it is, for example, a plant that you don't know the name of, or an animal. So instead of trying to describe it or asking other people what it is in the picture, you can ask Google. Very convenient. Other ways how you can use this is to look for a specific person, or you can also use it for example, copyright stuff and see if you have made some work, for example, digital art, if someone is using it elsewhere and infringing your copyright. So it's quite convenient. So I just went to Google on the page, so let's do that. Google, and let's start with the desktop version. Later I will show you how to do this on mobile version as well. And you can see images. Press that and this will go to Google Images. You can actually drag drop the image here and it will search for it. Alternatively, you can press here, search by image, upload image, and I have saved a file. Press open and it will take a few seconds to generate that result. As you saw in the name, I just had written hello, and you can see this is the image and where it can be found. You can also see pages that include matching images. You can see, there we go, first page, second page, kangaroo rat, gives me the name of this animal, and so on and so on. And you can see many images, even, for example, image with text written on it, Google still manages to find this image, and you can see how many different pages Google finds. So very convenient and quite easy to do, just that many people don't know about this feature. Now let's go to the mobile version. So I have opened my phone here and I am sharing the screen over the QuickTime. So I just went to Google in a similar way, and now I will press on the three dots at the bottom and this will bring this window, because usually when you go to Google it opens up in the mobile view, which is not good. So if I go to images, you will see that there is not this camera icon in the right corner, so you have to go to the three dots and you scroll down to see request desktop site. This brings up the desktop version and you will see the camera right here, and you can upload the image in the same way I did on the desktop version. This works on Android as well. So typically when you go to Google Images at first, you will not be able to upload the image on mobile. However, by changing it to the desktop version on Android, you will also be able to go to Google Images like on desktop and upload the image you want to search for. So I hope that this tutorial is very useful to you guys. Also in the comments, please let me know what you will be using this for, because as I said, there can be many different uses for Google Images. So let me know and have a wonderful day.